In this video, I'll show you how to create a Tremendous account. To get started, open your browser and search for Tremendous. Then click on the official website from the search results. Once the site loads, look at the main menu and click on the Sign Up Now option. You'll be asked to enter your full name, email address, and password to begin the registration process. One important thing to note here is the email requirement. You cannot sign up using a regular Gmail or personal email address. Tremendous requires a valid work or business email, usually something like yourname@company.com. Make sure the email is officially associated with a business or organization. If you already have a valid work email, simply enter it here. Alternatively, you can also choose the option to sign up using Google, which will open a prompt allowing you to continue with your Google account. After signing up, Tremendous will ask for additional details, such as your business information and billing information to complete the setup. Just follow the on-screen instructions, fill in the required details, and you'll be able to move forward without any issues. That's all for this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.